Well, this is just an update video of me. I cleaned off all the gasket, old gasket, this stuff. It's so brittle. I took the majority off with the safety blade, just by going like putting it on and then going like this, working my way all the way around, and then the little bits that were still left on, I then got this thing, put it in my drill, and then polished it all off. So I got the main housing all done and the head. And I also have training for the sandblast cabinet, and it's also powder coating, which I'm not going to use the powder coating part. I only need the sandblast part. But yeah, that's 2 weeks away, so I'm probably just going to keep cleaning, and then I'm probably also going to work on the bolts. I don't know, should I do a hot blue for protection, or should I just do like a cold Oxford blue? Just put that in the comments below, either or. So I can do both. I like, you can just put the bluing in the microwave since it's a small cup, just to heat it up to boiling, and then you can drop the bolts in to turn black. I think that'll look really nice, having nice forward blue with black bolts throughout. Oh, and I also have the main flywheel painted. Here, let me get that out. Here is the flywheel. Got the pressure washer out and took off the rust with the stripper and the Loctite jelly, petroleum jelly or naval jelly, to convert all the rust. So that's the flywheel, both sides. It's pretty cool. It's a nice blue. I like it. But yeah. Thanks for watching.